Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace the Bcm. This is the body control module on BMW E46. This is guys the 3 Series from year 1998 to year 2006. So we'll show you guys how to remove, locate and replace the Bcm. We'll have a programming video on the channel as well, and in addition guys, we'll be having more than 200 videos on E46 because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, hit that subscribe button, like the video and leave a comment below. So let us show you guys what we'll be doing now. First thing, okay, we need to go ahead and disconnect the car battery of the vehicle. That will be the first step. Why? Because you don't want to burn anything. Okay, doesn't matter if you have convertible, if you have a regular 4-door, 2-door, anything like that guys, you need to disconnect the car battery of your BMW. Now, what we'll be doing now guys, okay, we need to, okay, there is a special procedure how you disconnect those. So we'll need to get a 10mm wrench, okay, right there. And this is your car battery. Usually to get to the car battery guys, okay, let me turn the light on. Okay, you're going to remove that plastic here. It has only 2 clips. Okay, 2 clips. So once you guys remove that cover, we need to disconnect the car battery. So 10mm wrench guys, and the first cable that we need to disconnect is the negative cable. Very important how you do it guys. Okay, negative is disconnected. Now we are going to disconnect the positive. What I would recommend, after you disconnect it, wait at least 30 minutes guys before you remove your Bcm module, body control module, so the system can, okay, discharge and all that. Never ever grab your cable and twist it like that too much. Why? Because you have an airbag sensor here and you can damage that thing, and if you do guys, you're going to have an airbag light, okay, and you will need to replace the cable. That thing is expensive, believe me. So what else needs to be done now guys? Okay, you need to go inside. You will need to remove your glove box. If you do not know how to do that, the video guys will be actually on the channel. You can check it out how to do it. You have okay, you have 6 screws and 2 clips that you need to remove, and the whole glove box assembly will need to drop. After that, you will have one 10mm nut right here, okay, on the bottom of that box that you need to remove, so you can pull that thing down. And when you do all that guys, okay, we'll be able to start, okay, we'll be able to start actually removing the Bcm module. So let's see now, okay, how we will be doing all that stuff, because it's a little bit, okay, it's a little bit of limited room here, and I will try my best, okay, to see how we can reach all the stuff now. So this is the Bcm, okay, right here. That's where it's located. So now I will need to pull it out a little bit more. There is one clip holding on the top, and there is actually the second one there. And after that, let me see if we can pull the cables out of the way. Okay, perfect. Now this thing, okay, you need to slide it. Okay, a little bit more. So let me just grab a screwdriver too. Okay. It's going, but it's still stopping a little bit. So we will need to pull on it a little bit more. First cable is disconnected guys. Okay, that thing needed to be pulled this way and the cable is disconnected, okay, like that. Now what I'll do, this is for the adaptive headlights. I'm going to pull that box out. So it's not in the way. Next guys, we need to disconnect, okay, one more cable, and right here in the middle you have 1, 2 that you need to press in. Okay, and when you press it in, you're going to flip that white thing backwards. Okay, and it's going to open that clip as well. Perfect. Second one out. Now we just have one more here, guys. Okay, one more, and we'll have somebody hold the camera. Okay, like that. Okay, let's hold like that so I can grab it with two hands, because otherwise it's super limited room, guys. Okay, there is one zip tie that I will need to either cut, okay, or break. So we're going to get, guys, a knife quick. Okay, let's get one knife so I can cut that zip tie. Otherwise I don't think I'll be able to pull it out, okay, because all the cables are in the way. Let me see if I'll be able to or not. Okay, perfect. Now we have to be extremely careful not to cut a wire or anything like that, so always goes towards the outside. Perfect. Came out. Now that BCM there is. Okay, perfect. We're good with the camera. One clip here. Okay, I can bring it down a little bit and just pull it out. And this is, guys, your Bcm body control module out of your BMW. That's how you guys remove it. We'll have installation video and programming as well. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.